How to change autofill name on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the General section and go to Autofill. Autofill automatically fills out web forms using your contact or credit card info. On this page, go to My Info. Type in your name in the search bar and select it. Alternatively, go back and open the phone app. Go to the Contact sections and tap on your contact card at the top. Here, you can view and edit your contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can now change your name from here. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily change autofill name on iPhone.